Hi, my name is Alexi, and I'm currently a fourth year in the lab. I'm originally from central Illinois, from right outside a city called Peoria, which is a couple hours south of Chicago. And it's about a little less than half the size of Lincoln. So to me, Lincoln actually feels pretty big and spread out, but it still kind of has that inviting, homey, kind of small town feel. It still feels really Midwestern, which is what I'm used to. So coming here was not too much of a culture shock for me because my hometown was somewhat similar. So yeah, while Lincoln might technically not qualify as like a big city, I still feel like it has had everything I've needed personally. And in my experience, people in Lincoln have always been really kind and welcoming. And the clinical program has been no exception to that, from all the faculty and the staff to just all the fellow students as well. So I feel like our junior colleague model really helps us feel like our work and contributions are important, so that contributes to that. So I originally came to UNL after getting my undergrad degree in psychology from Bradley University, which is in Peoria, Illinois, which is actually a much smaller school than UNL. So adjusting to kind of a larger Big Ten type environment had its challenges at first, but it was mostly pretty smooth because of how supportive the clinical program is of just our goals and well-being overall. So originally my research interests lined up with our lab because of just my interest in substance use and comorbid mental health issues. But kind of due to different experiences I've had since starting grad school, my interests have kind of branched off a little bit into the realm of neuropsychology. So I'm still kind of toward the beginning of pursuing those interests, but I'm really hoping to kind of strengthen both my clinical and research skills in that area, and hoping to kind of pursue that career-wise. So one of my favorite things about our program is that there are a lot of different opportunities to collaborate with other labs or students on research or other projects, which is something that I do hope to do more of in the near future, especially with kind of my emerging interest in neuropsychology. So currently, kind of my main project is I'm in the process of developing my dissertation, which broadly I hope will kind of examine alcohol use in the context of brain injury and just related risk factors and just relationships between those things. So I do feel really lucky to be able to kind of extend that line of research from some work that was started by Jessie Tibbs, which is another one of our lab mates. And additionally, another thing that I like most about our program is kind of the wide range of clinical opportunities that we're able to experience. So for instance, my current clinical placement is at Madonna Rehabilitation Hospital here in Lincoln, working in the neuropsych department. So I'm getting to kind of learn assessment and treatment skills with patients on both an inpatient TBI unit as well as assisting with outpatient neuropsych evaluations for just a variety of different cognitive presentations. So yeah, I feel like I've had the opportunity to integrate just a variety of my interests during my time here so far at UNL, and I've fully enjoyed it even with its challenges. And I hope that you would too. Thank you.